Bioinformatics is a scientific subdiscipline that combines computer programming, big data, and biology to help scientists understand and identify patterns in biological data. Today, our team will introduce you to a game that will give you a feel of how scientists analyze DNA sequences and interpreting its mutation.
Our game is called Mutator Brawl. In this game, you are a scientist analyzing a creature mutating with DNA through its life. You play the role of both the scientist and the creature.
Each game consists with a game board, 4 playing pieces, a QR code, and a 4-sided die. There are 81 tiles on the board.
And the goal is to get to the end.
To begin, each player chooses a colored playing piece. I choose blue.
Then we decide the play order. I'll go first. We scan the QR code to access the web app.
Once you have the app open, choose the creature that corresponds with your color. Mine's Nilok.
All players will put their pieces on the start square and begin rolling the die. I got a 1. In these 2 rows, you collect proteins. When you land on a square, go to your protein inventory and click Gain Protein. This will add a random amount of one type of protein. Then the next player goes.
It's my turn. I got a 3. I will do the same. I will go to my protein inventory and hit Gain Protein.
The game will progress until one player reaches the DNA row. Make sure you periodically click the Convert to Pairs button to convert all the proteins into DNA pairs.
Once you've landed in a DNA row, like I have, you can hit the Draw Card button.
This will bring up a random mutation. We have 3 types of mutations. A 1x use mutation that you use immediately after you take it and it goes away. Permanent mutations, which you can use after you get the card and then it goes into your inventory. Or harmful mutations that block your progression in the game.
Let's see what I get. I got a weak mutation, extra C. When collecting C proteins from a tile, collect an extra.
Because this is a permanent mutation, it will get added to his inventory. But remember, you have to have enough pairs to get the mutation. Weak costs 3 pairs, medium costs 6 pairs, and strong costs 8 pairs.
I'm gonna take the mutation.
At the end of each DNA row, there's a checkpoint. You have to have a specific number of mutations to pass it. If you don't, you go to the beginning of the last protein collection row. The first player to reach the end wins the game. The rest of the players can compete for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th place. After all the players have finished, each player can click the reset button to reset their character and play again.
While waiting for them to finish the game, let's take a look at the code that we use to make the game playable.
I won.